तो अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं वो साइंस लेते हैं, थोड़े ख़राब होते हैं वो कॉमर्स लेते हैं, और जैसे किसी काम के नहीं होते वो आर्ट्स ले लेते हैं। सो आई वॉज अ गुड स्टूडेंट ऑफ फैमिली, सो आई टुक साइंस। ह्यूमन बींग्स आर नॉट द सोलो एनिमल्स। हमेशा कम्युनिटी में रहने की हमें आदत है। सो एज ए डेवलपर, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन द रिमोट जॉब, आप अकेले हो। सो व्हेन यू हैव अ कम्युनिटी, यू हैव अ बैकअप। एज ए डेवलपर कोड हमेशा फटेगा। सो दैट्स द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट एंड यू हैव टू कीप लर्निंग। सो जब हम बना रहे थे ना, तो हमको पता नहीं था कि वी आर डेवलपिंग समथिंग दैट मच एक्साइटिंग। सो आफ्टर 4 months वी डेवलप एंड देन द प्रोडक्ट वाज लाइव। सो हमको भी दिखाया गया बैंक की वेबसाइट पे जाके और ऐप पे। तो मुझे खुद यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि हमारी डब्बू सी टीम ने ऐसा कुछ बना दिया। सबसे बड़ा सपना क्या होता है किसी भी डेवलपर का? किसी बड़ी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में जाके काम करना। So my name is Dinesh Kumar. So right now I'm working as a front-end developer in a company known as Dev India Private Limited. And I started with Wipro in 2019. I didn't start it as a developer. So my initial role was like in support, IT support, so these kind of things. So after some time I felt bored of this and I started learning on side by side. So with the help of few mentors and all, I was able to make a switch into the front-end role. So now I'm working with the technologies, and the tech stack include basically like all the technology of front end, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind, React.js, so all these things. So there is a common myth in the society when we pursue the higher education after 10th. So अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं वो साइंस लेते हैं, थोड़े ख़राब होते हैं वो कॉमर्स लेते हैं, और जैसे किसी काम के नहीं होते वो आर्ट्स ले लेते हैं। So I was a good student of family, so I took science. And after science, there is no option either to be in the medical side or engineering. So I took engineering. So as a developer, I would say when I started, I was not into the development role. So it included a lot of things which was frustrating. I was not able to learn on the internet and all. So that was definitely frustrating. And as a developer, code hamesha phatega. So that's the most challenging part. And you have to keep learning. So the technology which is there right now, maybe it will not be there after 2 years. So you have to be learning. So it's not like कि आपने कुछ सीखा और आप बस चिल करें. So that's not like this. To be a developer, you have to keep learning. Apart from your working hours, you have to put the efforts to keep learning every day or every weekend also. So we have to invest time. That's the challenging part. As a developer, I met a lot of people. So before coming into the development journey, I was into other role. So I met few people in the Rebase who guided me how I can learn the technologies apart from my work, which was not into the development. So I would say there are continuous mentors. Even I saw a lot of people are there who are having approximately 10 to 15 years of experience. So they can tell you exactly what you need to do apart from your work so that you can ace as a developer journey. So that I can say it helped a lot. Human beings are not the solo animals. हमेशा कम्युनिटी में रहने की हमें आदत है. सो एज ए डेवलपर, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन द रिमोट जॉब, आप अकेले हो. सो व्हेन यू हैव अ कम्युनिटी, यू हैव अ बैकअप. सो आई कैन से दैट you can meet new peoples, get guidance, and get enrolled into a lot of meetings which will help you definitely. So initially I think I saw a post on LinkedIn. So there was something about Recro or Rebase. So I was not aware of what is Rebase or what is Recro. And I joined. There was a link of Discord. So I joined, and then after that, it started the journey of this community. I'm working for a client which is basically a product-based company. And when I started as a developer, I started working on a new project, which was about a new product for a bank, which they were about to launch. So जब हम बना रहे थे ना, तो हमको पता नहीं था कि we are developing something that much exciting. So after 4 months, we developed, and then the product was live. So हमको भी दिखाया गया बैंक की वेबसाइट पे जाके और ऐप पे. तो मुझे खुद यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि हमारी डब्बू सी टीम ने ऐसा कुछ बना दिया. So that's the most exciting part. We make something which people use in real life. The real products are there. When I started, I was not a developer. So definitely there was nobody to guide me. But there are people now who are in the industry, in the product-based companies such as Microsoft, Uber. So जब भी लगता है ना कि क्या कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते, so we can get the one-to-one guidance. And there are people who can get you into the one-to-one mentorship. So backup feel होता है. Anyone should join Rebase because he can definitely get a lot of fun session which developers love. Because आप उन लोगों के साथ सेशंस में रहेंगे जो आपके जैसे डेवलपर्स हैं, और डेफिनेटली सबसे बड़ा सपना क्या होता है किसी भी डेवलपर का, किसी बड़ी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में जाके काम करना या फिर मेंटरशिप लेना कि हाउ वी कैन गो देयर. सो देयर आर पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग देयर, सो इट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस टू गेट द गाइडेंस.